A co-founder of a Fortune 500 company just got arrested by the FBI. The crime? Smuggling $2.5 billion in NVIDIA AI chips to China. And his secret weapon was a hairdryer. They set up shell companies across 3 different countries, rerouted thousands of the most restricted chips on Earth, and the way they hid the evidence? I genuinely could not believe it when I read the indictment. When the news broke, the company's stock crashed 28% in a single day. This might just be the tip of the iceberg. The number of smuggled chips that are already inside Chinese data centers right now. And the biggest question, if the co-founder of one of NVIDIA's own hardware partners was doing this for 2 years, who else is? I break down the entire operation, the fallout, and what this means for the AI chip war in the full video. Full breakdown in the main video, link in description. Check the description for the full video.